How to fix Discord gray screen mobile. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have now to go directly to apps, and on apps you will find, as you see, all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go to Play Store and update in your Discord. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.